if I told the local Yahoo youths who target the Nigerian audience, right? If I told them that it no go better for them, would anybody rebel? So there's always going to be that one person who is going to come and rebel. So, but if I say that there will be a consensus, right, that it is properly desperate to try somebody way in brother fit be me. His brother might be me, even if he's a Kogoli. Let him to go and lose his money to you, or whatever. Let him. His brother can be me. Real life. You want a problem. So when I tell Christians that, when I remind them, I'm not telling them, I'm reminding them, because that's the thing. I'm just reminding the Yahoo youth that is doing local that it no go better for you. You understand? It no be better for you. You dey very desperate. You be the real highway robber right now. You no mind walking and ripping off Nigerians, our mama them. You don't understand? It no fit be the same thing. You dey properly desperate. Like if you carry gun, dey outside. Like you get, if you carry gun, dey outside Nigerian streets like this. So Christians, yeah, why it no go better for them? Because they what's the word? Working with is it complicit? They complicit. You get what I say? They got accessory to murder, right? They complicit to putting the happen for Nigeria and Africa. If not before Christianity and other religions will make other people deal with the one where they happen for their region. If not for Christianity and other religions in Africa, Nigeria, Africa, any leader where they come in for government will be sworn in by African traditional means. African spirituality, African problems have African solutions. My ancestors had deities that they used to protect my community. Now you are not saying you're going to be the governor of mine and lots of other communities. The only reason we should follow you and talk is that we are going to just unplug that solution that was working, that smaller solution that was working, and plug it to your larger infrastructure. You understand? But to to carry the ancestral work now and hand over to governor now, and he has to come to my ancestors' obi, to my ancestors' shrine, and swear that he will not let me down. He cannot. There is no other way. It's not his sweet talk. He's not being obi, sent obi, or whatever. Like, is it like what the hell is even a saint? The people that taught us saints are people that taught us to demonize our ancestors. The ancestors that we have, the saints we have, are our ancestors. So come and swear by my saints. Come and swear by the infrastructure my saints used to protect themselves and to protect their children, that you will not let my state down. Otherwise, you are just somebody that is convincing. You have mastered the art of seduction. I don't even know the day when you start to walk me. But you want to walk me local. You want to betray me. You want to betray me. You want to sell my trust for your interest of you becoming a president tomorrow, so that you not to say that you didn't work against them or whatever, some other bullshit. Or if you're a president, you are sending my interest to the CIA, to the America. It's because I'm not using my ancestors' plugged solution. They are plugged in. That's the reason. So, go better for. Let me use this medium again to remind Yahoo boys who they do local, saying no go better for you. It cannot be better for you. And Christians, no go better for them. Reminder, no be me talking, no girls. We're bang.